right, we are in the cabin. 720S. Sorry, man, that was a bit cheesed out, wasn't it, really? Man, this is genuinely my first drive in this car. We've got Justin here, who I'm gonna follow to the petrol station. I'm gonna try and get the correct driving position. Come on, we need to go lower. Steering is supposed to be amazing in this car. The car is completely off, but you can still turn the wheels on the spot. This has got hydraulic steering, unlike most supercars which have now gone electronic. How do we start this? So I've had a ghost put on it. Okay. No? Right, what's going on? Let's try and do it manually. 1, 2, boom, boom. Bro, it's not starting.
2 foot down hard.
Oh, hard. Oh, jeez.
Press active. And it opens up.
Like the steering column. There we go. Let's get that out. Wow, the driving position, guys. Hi, mate. We've got Ricky driving position. Yeah, that engine right behind my ear. Driving position is perfection. Guys, let me tell you, visibility is just another level. You guys know, man, anytime I drive supercars on the channel, I absolutely love them. I lose my mind. And to know that I own a Mclaren 720S. Nah, man, shut down, people. So I'm just gonna cruise to the petrol station. And yeah, I just wanna get a little feel for the car, and then we'll go over some other bits which I probably missed out. Gotta be very careful in this car, man. Wow, we are touching the road, like, as in we are so low to the ground. Yo! 720S, yeah? Guys, we are scraping across the tarmac. We are so low. It feels like I'm sitting in the center of the cabin, but it's not. It's just where everything's aimed towards me. The visibility is on a whole nother level, man, honestly. Wow, the track driving I'll be doing in this. Yeah, the steering's nice and light. It's hydraulic, but yeah, it is giving a nice amount of weight and feedback through it. Ooh. Guys, I've got so much to learn with this car. Like, I have not got a clue what these settings do. So I've put it in active, and we've got it in comfort for handling. And then we've got P here, which must be for power, which we've got in track. Oh, we don't want to scrape, but we can scrape. No, we're all right. And we've got our tire temperature, just like if you was playing Forza. Oh, shit. Well, what do we do about that then? I don't want to do that again. Guys, we just scraped the bottom of the splitter. What does that mean? Do I go over with one wheel first? Oof. Man, I'm loving this right now. Yo, the car just looks amazing, like looking out of the wing mirrors. The one thing I'm not mentioning to you lot yet is I am planning to do track days in this car. So I've been speaking with McLaren. They do their own personal track days. So they go to Spa, Silverstone, there's a few other tracks as well. But basically I'll have like a McLaren test driver who will show me how to drive this car properly. But I am not messing with this car. We're doing track driving, half a mile events, Santa Pod, whatever we can do, man. I want to have some banter in it. Right now, I'm just going to enjoy the moment. That kid was just like, his mouth was up. But yeah, the seat, like, I can imagine it's getting a little bit uncomfortable, but driving position-wise, perfection. Like, I am in an upright position, the steering wheel is dead center, right in front of me, elbows perfectly bent, ready to catch that rear end if it wants to get a little slippery. So this comes with a 7-speed SSG gearbox, which is basically a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. The shifts are instantaneous. We've got carbon. Is this carbon? I don't even know if it's carbon, but when you flick the paddles, they go up and down together. So like usually in cars they're like detached. With this, it's like almost like a seesaw. That just sounded so childish. Seesaw. Now this car is so easy to drive right now. Like, there's been some supercars I've got into, they're pretty intimidating. I'm not intimidated by this car one bit. I feel like I can drive it like a Golf R. Man, the front end, and we're only in comfort right now. We've got the active button on. I don't know what that's doing. I think that's just raising the spoiler. Hey! 2.4 litre V8 twin turbo. Lord. It feels quick, very quick. And it sounds nice. Now usually the turbocharged supercars, they don't sound the greatest, do they? Unless it's an AMG, you know, like the AMG engines sound amazing, but if you listen to a Porsche turbo, they just sound like, Hoovers, don't they, apparently? All right, so petrol tank is on the left-hand side, apparently. Smells like something's burning, man. Hopefully it's not my bloody car. Literally, I can smell burning. I'm not joking. 40 quid's worth of juice. So you reckon I'll be all right getting out of this petrol station or now?
Just come out a bit wide, then go. You'll be all right.
Okay. Oof. Yeah. That is no. We need to lift the nose. Oof. Please, no. Don't do this. Fuck. Yeah, we're all right. Yeah, we are all good. Is it like a max speed whilst it's move stalk to raise? Okay. Oh, geez. Okay, there you go. Bloody hell, shitting it down. I was like, what? We've already got a fault, like. Oh, hey! Spinning up, boy. So we've got the P0s on, so yeah, man. I don't know, I suppose this car was designed with those tyres, but if it's cold, they're not going to work so well. The Michelins, I'm a massive fan of the PS4S. A lot of the McLaren owners, they put RAAARs on these cars. That's how you get maximum traction. I'm not sure what it would do for track driving. Obviously, they are semi-slicks. In my head, I was like, oh my God, the car's braking. But no, it's fine. Oh, wait, yo, wait. I can't believe I'm in this car. Whoa! Yo, the aggression on the shift is something else. Beautiful. I was just saying in my M5, like how the box is a little softer. It tries to impersonate a shift like this. You can't beat dual clutch, man, for changing gears. She's quick. I'm not sure if I told you some of the numbers. 0 to 60 in 2.8 seconds. 0 to 100 in 5.4 seconds. It does a standing quarter mile in 10.3 seconds. And it will do a top speed of 212 miles per hour. Some of these cars have been tested 100 to 200 in around 4.6, 4.7 seconds, which is ridiculous. Like, now the steering is so precise. And we are in comfort. Everything's in its softer settings. I need to work out exactly what all of these buttons do, how it affects the car. Whoa, man. You know what? I can feel the road like under my arse. Supercars, you don't pay for the performance, you're paying for an experience. Something you can't experience in a big turbo hatchback, do you know what I mean? McLarens, for example, it's about the capability, the sense of speed you get in these cars are at all-time high. And 700 horsepower, like, of course, has a lot of power, but when you compare it to supercars, it's not that amazing, but it's the power to weight ratio in this car. As I say, 1,420. Look, it's going to be around 14,500 kilos, which is very light. That's lighter than the hatchbacks. And I don't want to review the car, I just want to drive it, man. And that is the aim of this car. I just want to drive it and just have fun and pick up friends and do track days. Hell. As I just mentioned to you, it's doing a 4.700 to 200, but the aerodynamics and the weight of this car, the faster you go, oh, we need to get off here. Jeez. Oh my God, man. The front end. No. Got the carbon ceramics now. I'm not getting a lot of feedback from the brakes. The brakes feel not too great. My God, the front end. We're stuck down like it's Scare Electrics right now. Fucking hell. Imagine a 720S, you know. Yeah, boy. You f***ing mad. I can't believe it, man. I'm in a 720S, yo. Man's f***ing made it. Obviously, we'll go for like a proper first drive. I'll take it around some corners, and we're on the M25 right now. Yeah, what do I say? I mean, Alcantara steering wheel, you've got this fold away display. I'll show you that in a bit more detail when we get back to the unit. So yeah, this car's a Shut down, I'm gassed. Guys, we're so low down that I can barely see over the rail of the motorway, like for the oncoming traffic. Little tiny bit of movement, like little, almost like the smallest dead zone in the wheel. This car is an absolute ninja. There's so much confidence to this car. 7:10 if I'm correct, Nürburgring lap time. But you got to remember that this isn't the all-out version. This is like the daily drivable supercar. You can daily drive this, take it to the shops, and it will spank most cars, you know. This for me is like a triple whammy, this car. It's a car that you can take on track and spank everyone. If you want to go drag racing, as you've seen many videos on the internet, it's one of the fastest roll racing cars. You know, even in stock form from a dig, this car will consistently do a 3 second 0 to 60. And then on top of that, it's a supercar, you know? So for me, it's just like buying 3 cars in one. Of course, it's just not the most relatable car. Not everyone's gonna buy a 720S, but hopefully you guys have followed the journey and you can, you know, enjoy the excitement through me. And I will come meet you lot. I'm gonna be at loads of car meets this year. Hopefully if this Corona calms down. But yeah, I'll take you lot out. We'll do some passenger rides, and we've got the GTR we're collecting. The GTR build is complete next week. The engine's completely built. Then it's going to be just tuning, so there's going to be an update video. It may have just gone up before this actually, so people are under the mindset that these are around 800 horsepower. Obviously McLaren claim that they're 710. Now I've done my own research and these are around the 750 mark. It's all dependent on which McLaren it is really. Some are faster than others, and this even happens with the German cars. The RS3s, the M5s, they all dyno a little bit higher than the manufacturer claim. So yeah, these are not 700, they are a little bit more to produce the times that they do. But there is so much to this car, I can't wait to read up more and study more about it. But there is genuinely so much to this car. Every crease on the body has a purpose, you know. It's like a mathematical decision that's been made to make this car look the way it does. It's not just for looks. This car produces double the downforce of the 650S, and a lot of that is down to the humongous wing on the rear. As mentioned, it's like an air brake, so under hard braking I think you'd probably need to be in track mode, but it literally goes into a vertical position, and you see my big LLF on the back. Come on, you can feel so much going on in the steering wheel. Every little bump in the road is coming through the steering. So we're gonna put power in track, and let's put handling in the track, see what happens. And oh shit, are you being serious right now? Man, the brakes are that powerful, you can almost feel it. It's almost like the brakes have got no cap and it's letting me exceed the maximum. Right, so guys, I am gonna have to end the video there because we are stuck on the M25. There's a shitload of traffic. We ain't gonna get no more driving. What I'll do is, I'll get back, we'll do like a nice walk around the car, we'll get some nice cutaways, and then we'll take it for a first proper drive, yeah? We'll take around some streets that I'm familiar with, and we'll see what the McLaren's really like. Obviously, I'm looking to hit track days in this car. That is what the mission is for this car right now. Originally, I was like, big turbos and do this and do that. Look, these on the stage 2 tune, by the way, are as quick as twin turbo Lambo, twin turbo R8s. That is how capable, like this car is on another, just forget about it. Like when it comes to modding this, it's ridiculous. Of course, it's rear wheel drive, so it won't be as consistent, but numbers wise, this car is like, you know, you're talking low 3 seconds on a stage 2 tune, downpipes, injectors. It's a couple of £1,000 and you've got a car that won't be much slower than my GTR. So yeah, like I say, track days, we'll do the first drive video. And there's one secret I've kept away from you. I've bought the sickest modification for this car. You're gonna have to wait for that to the next video. But yeah, one of the best mods I've ever done on the car. So yeah, I can't wait to show you that. But guys, I'm gonna end it there. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, bye.